Nangita ba kag balay na duol sa downtown area? Perfect. All investors, this house in lot for sale for only 1.8 million only. What's up guys? Another day, another house. So we are here in Cabantian, Buhangin, Davao City. And I will showing you this house and lot for sale with a lot area of 100 square meter with a floor area of 75 square meter. 3 bedroom, 1 toilet and bath. So ito po yung street ng bahay, papuntang bahay. Actually, sobrang lapit lang po nito sa main road ng bahay po. Actually, the house will not wala na po siyang value yung bahay kasi sobrang luma na po, but the lot only is really very important kasi ang bahay na to or subdivision na to sobrang lapit lang po talaga sa downtown area, kaya ang habol dito is lot only. So nakikita nyo sa bidyong ito, ang bahay is hindi na po siya kagaanong kaganda po. Yun yung pinakita. Actual po yan. But the selling price of this house is for only 1.8 million. Actually, sobrang mura na to sa Emily Homes Subdivision po. Yung bintahan ng ibang unit owners dito, nasa 2 million up po. Itong bahay na to, rush po na binibenta ng may-ari. And if you like for us to open the door for you, then don't hesitate to contact us and to subscribe my YouTube channel. Again, this is Renanti Season As and this is Renanti Season House Store. And this is where your next investment feels like them. Thank you.